Hi, in this video I will show you the treasure key lock in Deck.Toys. So there's two parts to this, which is the treasure key itself and the treasure key lock. So let's see how we're going to add this into your path and activities. You can set the treasure key as a reward for students who have completed any activity on the map. So for example, now I'm going to set a treasure key reward for this lines activity. If the students get it right, they will collect this key. And for this demonstration, I'm going to have a diamond ring key. And then very important is the key ID. So the key ID is the one we're going to match to the lock. The treasure key name can be any description or you like, but for the key ID it must be exact. So for here, we can name it as ring, and remember it's RING, so we can set it in the lock later as R ring too. And another way you can add the treasure key as a reward for your students is through your slide activity. So that you can add the treasure key in terms of as a slide app. So here you can click treasure key and you can add it into your map. You can make it smaller so that it's harder for the students to see, okay, because it's like a treasure key, and you can configure it here. So for example, now I'm going to have this gold necklace, and the key ID here I'm going to name it as necklace. Okay, so the students will click on this to collect the key. And another way you can add it is to hide it within the long text. So you want to make sure your students read the whole long text, can be many paragraphs. So here you can again add the treasure key, drag it into the text, and then make it very small. You can put it within the text too. And for this, I will name it as a map, and the ID as MAP map. Now, as you can see here, the students will able to collect the key after they completed this lines activity, and also after going through this slide activity, they can collect the two keys if they're paying attention and seeing through your resources. And the next part of the show is the lock. So the student will collect the three keys just now throughout this map, and then the final activity they need to unlock it. So I have added these two images. You can add any image you like, and I'm going to add the locks to this slide. So we have three locks. You can drag it anywhere to the image, also in the text area. So for example, for this, I'm going to have the diamond ring. The diamond ring, I call it ring just now. So the question can be the diamond ring. Do you collect the diamond ring? This is just a text. And then the next one is we're supposed to have the gold necklace, and we name it as a necklace, I think, just now. And finally the map, and this, so MAP. So this is the key ID. So now the students were able to collect all the keys. So for example, we see how it looks like in the student's view. The student will try to unlock this, but they are going to move on until they have collected the keys. So now they have a prompt that they cannot move on to unlock this. So the students can unlock it by collecting the key. So for example, here, if they answer this correctly, they should be collecting the diamond ring. So you can see here the student has collected the diamond ring, and the student can now unlock the diamond ring lock, but they still need the gold necklace, so they cannot unlock. Similarly with the map, and the students can then collect the gold necklace, so it's collected. And finally, within the text, the small treasure key map. So now the students have collected all these items and can unlock. So for the next one is a gold necklace, and finally is the map. So you should select map and to make it unlock. Okay, so they collect the treasures. Next, as a bonus tip, I would like to show you how you can add an inventory into your map. So let's quickly add the text. So you can add a title. So you call inventory, and then you can put it on your map. So this is just a tip to make it more visual for the collection of the treasure keys. So here you can add, I have add your slide activities. So I'm going to add 3 slide activity to represent the 3 different elements. So I have the diamond ring, gold necklace, and map. So I've created the diamond ring example. So you can see here, the students will have a lock which the password is ring. So you can set to ring, and when they've collected the treasure key, they can have the visual, the image. So I have to put the ring here, and then similarly, a gold necklace you can add. So find the gold necklace, and then you can add the lock. So where's the lock? Okay, you can add the lock to here, and the key is necklace. And on the next slide, you can have a Google image search of a gold necklace. So just we choose this, and finally we can add the map, and so we can configure the map is map. So this is the configuration, the key ID for the map lock, and then you can add the slide image for the map. Okay, so the students, when they have unlocked this lock, they were able to collect the treasure map. So how it looks like in the student's view. So let's go to student's view again. And if the student has collected a diamond ring, if they have collected a diamond ring, they are able to collect this image. Yeah, and it will be marked as completed. Similarly for the gold necklace. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye bye.